Hello friends, today I would like to show you how to do a perfect VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup in Excel, and VLOOKUP in general is like taking an information out from a table, another column corresponding to the column to the one needed. For example, say here we have a table C and D columns which make a table. Say the table has rows like table, mug, mat, spoon, and say for example we would like to know in another table what is the corresponding product code for these categories. So the VLOOKUP, as you can see here, is we do the VLOOKUP, select the one which you need information for, and look up the table array from where you would like to need the corresponding information. Select as many columns as you want from where the information you have to gather, comma, select the column index number. Basically here we have one column, two column, so which column the data is there, you have to select that number, the how far that column is from. So this column is the second column, so select 2, comma, if you want option to have an approximate match or an exact match, mostly we will go for exact match, so let's enter false, which numerically we can enter 0 and close the bracket and then enter. As you can see, we get able to get the product code 111 from this table over here. In the table array, before dragging to other rows, you have to make it like adjusting to each rows. So use function F4 and make the $sign function F4 for the table array and click yes. And now when you drag, you have corresponding information for the next rows, for the mug, mat, spoon, so you have the corresponding numbers. For the last two, they are not available in this table, so these informations are not available. So this is how you do a perfect VLOOKUP function. It's quite easy as possible. There are further advanced one. I will come up with another video. Until then, thank you, and subscribe to my video if you like my video, and share and like. Peace, Anand.